Hello guys, this is Ali and welcome to part 4 of this tutorial series. In last tutorial we have created an action method and a view model. In this tutorial we will see how to use Kendo Grid. We have created this view in last tutorial, so please watch part 3 of this tutorial series for better understanding. We are going to use Kendo Grid, so let's remove this code from here and initialize the Kendo Grid. We will display data from employee view model, so change the name of the class, employees view model. Now we need to add some more properties. This will represent the ID of your control, employee list. Now bind the columns. Start found. In first column we want to display image of the employee, so C set that C dot photo. We need to add a template to display employees images. I have already typed the code. I will just copy and paste it right here. Okay. We need to write the CSS to format the employees images. I have already typed the code to save our time. I will just copy and paste it right here. After this we will bind more columns. Employee ID. And the width for this column will be 150. Okay, so copy this, paste it here, first name, last name and title. We do not want to apply the width property here, so remove this. Okay, and for first name, last name and the title. Title means designation of employee. Okay, and the width for this column will be 200. Right, now we will add the data source to populate data in grid. To do this, write data source action. In first parameter we will pass the action method name, and the second parameter will be controller name. Okay, so go to the controller and copy this action method name and paste it here, and write the name of controller, which is home. Right, save the changes and run the project and see the result. Navigate to the read action method. So guys, we have successfully bind the Kendo Grid with database table. Now we will add some special functionalities like grouping, sorting and pagination. I can also control the rows of the data grid. For example, if I want to display only 5 rows in the data grid, I can do this. So flip to Visual Studio. In data source, we have a property page size. Now this will display only 5 rows in the data grid. Okay, save the changes and refresh the page. Now it is displaying only 5 rows. Right, now I will enable the pagination. Flip to Visual Studio. Pageable, this will enable pagination. Save the changes and refresh the page. Now I can display the next 5 records. Just click on this next button. Okay, now I will enable 2 more advanced feature, which is sorting and grouping. So flip to Visual Studio. This is so easy and simple. Groupable, this will enable grouping, and this will enable sorting. Right, save the changes and refresh the page. Now I can sort record. I want to sort record by first name. Just click on this area of the column. This will sort record by first name. Okay, now I want to group record by first name. To do this, just click on column header and drag it into this area. This will group record by first name. Right, this is the row for Andrew, this is the row for Annie, and this is the row for Janet. You can easily close this. Right, so simple and so easy. These are the most advanced feature of Kendo Grid. You can easily configure it into your project. Right, that's it for today guys. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. In next tutorial we will see how can we apply the CRUD operation like create, update, read and delete. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.